Have you ever sat in front of your computer, staring at the screen, knowing exactly what you need to do, but your brain just feels slow? Like it's stuck in first gear. You read the same sentence 3 times. You forget what you were about to say. You open a new tab and instantly forget why you opened it. And the worst part? You start to wonder, is this just how my brain works now? What if I told you that this feeling of mental slowness isn't normal, isn't permanent, and isn't because you're getting older or less smart? What if I told you there's a hidden reason your brain feels foggy, heavy, and tired, and that you can fix it naturally, without pills, without extreme routines, and without turning your life upside down? Stay with me because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover what's really slowing your brain down and how to turn it back into a fast, sharp, focused machine again. Let's start with something important. Your brain is not broken. In fact, your brain is incredibly powerful. It can process millions of bits of information per second. It can create, imagine, solve problems, and adapt. So if it feels slow, foggy, or heavy, it's not because it suddenly became weak. It's because something is interfering with how it works. Think of your brain like a high-performance engine. Even the best engine in the world will run terribly if you put dirty fuel in it, never change the oil, and keep it overheating all the time. The first big reason your brain feels slow is mental overload. Right now, you're bombarded with information all day long. Notifications, messages, videos, emails, news, social media, ads. Your brain never gets a real break. It's constantly switching tasks, constantly reacting. And every time you switch tasks, your brain pays a price. It uses more energy, it loses focus, it becomes less efficient. Over time, this creates something called cognitive fatigue. You're not tired in your body, you're tired in your mind. And when your mind is tired, everything feels slower. Thinking feels harder. Decisions feel heavier. Even simple tasks feel like work. The second reason is poor sleep. And I don't just mean not enough hours, I mean low quality sleep. Your brain uses sleep to clean itself, literally. During deep sleep, your brain flushes out waste products that build up during the day. If you don't sleep well, that waste stays there. Imagine trying to think clearly with a room full of trash. That's what brain fog is like. The third reason is what you feed your brain. Your brain uses a huge amount of energy. It needs good fuel, but most people run it on sugar, ultra-processed food, and caffeine. This creates energy spikes and then crashes. You feel on for a moment and then suddenly slow, foggy, and unmotivated. The fourth reason is stress. Chronic stress keeps your brain in survival mode. When that happens, your brain stops prioritizing clear thinking and creativity and starts prioritizing just getting through the day. Over time, this shrinks your attention span, hurts your memory, and makes everything feel mentally heavier. Now, here's the good news. You can reverse this naturally. Let's talk about how. First, simplify your inputs. Your brain needs less noise. Start by reducing how often you switch tasks. When you work on one thing. When you rest, actually rest. Even just turning off notifications for a few hours a day can dramatically improve your mental speed and clarity. Second, fix your sleep. Go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time every day. Stop using screens at least 60 minutes before sleep. Make your room dark and cool. Sleep is not optional for a sharp brain, it's essential. Third, upgrade your fuel. Drink more water, eat more real food, especially protein, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables. Reduce sugar and ultra-processed foods. You don't need a perfect diet, just need one that's better than you have now. Fourth, move your body. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain. It literally helps your brain work better. You don't need to become an athlete. Even a 20 to 30-minute walk every day already makes a big difference. Fifth, give your brain real rest. Not scrolling, not watching short videos. Real rest. Silence, walking, doing nothing. This is when your brain resets and reorganizes itself. And finally, train your focus. Read, write, think. Do things that require sustained attention. At first, it will feel hard. That's normal. Your focus is like a muscle. If you haven't used it in a while, it's weak, but it comes back faster than you think. Here's what most people don't realize. Feeling mentally slow is not your personality. It's not who you are. It's a state, and states can be changed. When you start sleeping better, eating better, reducing mental noise, and managing stress, something amazing happens. Your thoughts feel lighter. You remember things more easily. You make decisions faster. You feel more like yourself again. You don't need more caffeine. You don't need more motivation. You need to remove what's slowing your brain down. And here's the truth. A clear, fast, focused mind is your unfair advantage in life. It makes everything easier. Work, learning, relationships, creativity, and confidence. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, pick just 3 things. Sleep better, reduce distractions, and move your body every day. Just that, and notice how your mind starts to change. If you want more content like this, teaching you how to upgrade your mind, your focus, and your life naturally, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helps more people see this. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest thing that makes your brain feel slow right now? Your brain is not broken. It's just overloaded, under-rested, and under-cared for. Fix that, and you'll be shocked at how fast and sharp you can feel again.